Hello, I am once again embarking on an ambitious late night conversion project. I wonder if it's even possible, but I'm going to try to speed run this. So here goes. Here's what the app is. It is a shopping cart that oh no, I did some cleanup already, but okay, this is not going well so far. So what file? This is app component. Okay, that's fine. App component. There was an entire reducer that wasn't being used, so I deleted it, but I forgot one last thing I was supposed to delete. So app component. Right there. What's it even used for? I don't know. This is like, number of car items? Why is that coming from shell state? This is from the cart feature. This is not coming from anything else. So this is what it should be actually. All right. We're good. Okay. I'm going to count that as cleanup. So this is what it is. It's building now. So yep, this is what it is. Got a bunch of things with prices, quantities. You can add them to the cart. Open the cart. This was the thing that was in the shell reducer, but it was never implemented. So you can add that, and these random things update. So, and then delete it and empty cart. All right, awesome. So this is a simple app. So there are interesting things to it, which is why I picked it. And so let's get started. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of all their stuff with NgRx. And I'm going to provide, I didn't add my library yet. So install, save, StateAdapt core, and reselect. I wonder if I should make reselect a dependency. Still need to think about that. While that's running, I'm going to go ahead and add this and call it cleanup as the initial. Did this already put StateAdapt in it? Yeah, I think it did. All right, fine. Okay. Clean up. It seems stupid to combine these together. It really does. In case someone wanted to revert it, so I don't really care. Also, first I'm going to make a new branch. Check out 2. What's this? Oh, I didn't add it yet. I just took away. So maybe I shouldn't add it yet. Okay. Oh, this is all part of the same change. Okay. So it hasn't been added yet, and package.json hasn't removed it. So all I did was add StateAdapt to package.json, which doesn't really matter. So yeah. Okay. So new branch. StateAdapt. The pull request I made with the other repo, the guy responded. He said he wouldn't merge it, but he would look at it. Okay, so there's cleanup. Blah, 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 blah. Cleanup. Commit state change. I don't want to. Okay. All right. Now we will add StateAdapt. So I'm just going to start this running right now anyway. So we're going to add the default store provider. I just added this in StateAdapt 0.45. Okay, now let's get rid of these. Okay, and actually I'm going to npm install again. Okay, now let's look at some reducers. Let's get rid of catalog reducer first. Okay, what is it even for? Where are the selectors used? Select items. Here, in the catalog page component. Yeah, it's going to be broken, so that doesn't actually matter. Okay, alright, so it's actually used. This is the home page, and when you add something to cart, it's not like it, yeah, it stays the same, so, yeah, so this is static, basically, once it loads, so this will be a simple one. Alright, it's a feature, it's an actual thing, so I will convert it. Why is this in containers? Let's widen this a little bit. Is there like a minimum screen or line width maximum? There isn't prettier in this repo. VS Code was formatting everything already. Okay, so this will be what was changed. Nothing, right? Just some weird file format stuff. Okay, I'm gonna. I could add this later. Oh, this was reorganized. It's gonna be hard to separate cleanup from my own work in this project. It's gonna be really hard. That's annoying. So I don't think I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna add this and this. Oh, it's inferred. Okay. Implied. All right. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. So it committed the cleanup, or it didn't commit. I didn't add it. Okay, so what? Maybe I can just go through this real quick and yeah, let's do this. That doesn't matter. Just clean up and formatting. It's interesting. A lot of cleanup. Don't need to do this, but I might as well. Reducers, selectors. Yeah. Cart module. This is all gone. So whoa. Oh, it's lazy loaded, huh? Good. Cool. That is excellent. So are there going to be routes? Maybe it's not lazy loaded. I don't know. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, there aren't routes. I didn't see any anywhere. And I don't think there would be. Let's save that. I don't think I need to, but just, you know what? Maybe there's like a global prettier command I could run. But it's a small project. I'm done. Pretty much. Okay. There's a catalog module? Okay. There's the catalog reducer. So okay, so they're importing from the catalog over to the core when they're grabbing that state. So alright, and then what is, so this I will put aside. I thought there was something else I edited. That goes in. Yeah, I'm gonna call this cleanup. I may have missed something, but anyway. Alright, now What's this complaining about? Well, so that is gone. That's gone. Effects are gone, and that's gone. That seems a little silly. Did I erase? No, I didn't erase anything. What? Is there? I don't understand this. Oh, it's because of store. Okay. Okay, alright, well, that is that. And what was the other module? Oh, that's model. Here we go. Get rid of these. Okay, organize imports. Alright. This is more... it doesn't really matter. Okay. So much for speed run with StateAdapt. And it is now ready for me to get going. So I'm going to close all. Close all. Now where to start? Source app. That's going to move. That module is importing these modules, right? Catalog, good. All right, then we can use it. All right. Store, yep. Yep, okay. So we've got a lot of work to do, but okay, let's get going. Catalog first. So, oh, yeah. Yep, a lot of stuff going to be deleted here. API actions. Huh, interesting. People don't usually separate those. Okay, reducer. It always starts with reducer. But since we do feature-based stuff, we're going to do catalog.adapter.ts. And let's start with the reducer. So this is simple, and that's simple. So let's put that here. Export const catalog adapter. Create adapter. Oh, where did... Oh. Alright, I'm not going to move stuff around more than I need to, but this should be defined like... Not in like a... Well, where is it defined? Selector. That's weird. That is weird. I'm gonna move that. Then I have to move it there, but that's okay. I can handle that kind of thing. I can. All right, so I'm gonna put that there. Where's item coming from? Oh gosh, it's really confused on this. That's not coming from there anymore. Okay, so now we just have to create the adapter with the state items feature state. So this will be, I'm going to go ahead and add an action because I can. No, I'm not. I'm trying to do a comparison. Okay, so receive items. Oh gosh. State items. Okay, that's the adapter. That's the whole thing. Don't need anything else. Okay, now we make the store. That was fast. And that was at, where are we at? 14 minutes. I gotta take notes. It'll be faster. 14. Let's see. 15. Store. Okay. Let's do the store. a service. Not really a service, it's going to be a catalog store. Actually, we want that. We get to do private adapt common. Okay, and we're going to do sources. There was only, well, there's HTTP, so are there effects? Yeah. So what we need is this, which means we need the article service. Article service, where did I get that from? Oh. Where is it from? Catalog service. That is strange. Service. Okay. And all right, so let's just do this as simple as they did it. I'm not going to use my HTTP utilities here, even though I just am happy that I just made them. But anyway, we're going to call this items received. Okay, now, okay, store. Cart. How does this work with the cart? Oops, adapt.init. And this is going to be catalog adapter initial state, catalog initial state. No. Items feature state, initial state. Call this initial state. This is a little inconsistent naming, I'm noticing. Okay, and then source for sources, we're gonna have what's the deal? Oh, to source. We need to pipe it to source. We're gonna call this catalog received, or what am I holding on to though? That. Okay, nice. All right, that's that. Okay. Now I'm going to fix errors. This is 18 and a half minutes. Okay, fixing errors. Let's just start here. This isn't here. Number of card items. That was a selector. Okay, we get to add a selector. Wait, in the cart? Number of cart items. Okay, so this, we can't fix this error. This is unfixable from here. We just got select items here. Yeah. And delete from here. Okay. Spec. Oh, they had something. Components. No, where am I going here? Catalog, here we go. So we don't need this. Don't need get items. That is dispatched, isn't it? So maybe I should add that. Yeah, okay, let's add that. Request equals get HTTP sources. Okay, Good old fashioned. Haven't used this in a while. What is the response exactly? I think it's fine. Don't need to add anything else. Okay, so no op will be the request one because it doesn't change state. Success. There we go. All right. Okay, now back here, we are not dispatching this yet at all, ever. We do need items. Oh, that didn't fix that for me. Okay, so private store. I'm gonna name it that. Catalog store. Catalog store. Or what? I call it that? No, I didn't. There we go. Took a bit, I guess, for some reason. Okay, state, right? No, it's items. So we actually do need selectors. All right. Items. Okay, they're there. Add to cart. That's something, huh? Okay. Item added event? No. Why are we doing this? I'm like really confused. When is this used? App component. On item added. What does it do here? App component on item added. Oh, snapper. That's a side effect. Oh, okay. Okay, this is stuff to worry about later. All right. Later. Okay. So what else am I missing? I don't think I'm missing anything. I'll move on to cart. This seems pretty reasonable though. I think we're good. Okay. I'll be back. All right. So cart module. So we just need to take the okay. Cart.adapter.ts reducers. Maybe I should just preemptively do this. Yeah, probably. Okay, this one's non-trivial. This is great. Why is this coming from selectors? It doesn't make sense. Cart item, that will be imported. These are selectors. Total price. Oh, yeah. I remember this. I was looking at this a little bit, and they don't do this Right. They have derived data as state. It should be derived. Okay, so reducer. Yeah, here this is a selector. It's all gonna end in the same file, so. Alright. Export const cart adapter equals create adapter cart feature state. Alright. Paste, I guess. And okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And we're going to comment this out. So we're going to say, let's see, total number of items. Of items. Oops. It's going to be a card item. Is that the top level state? No. Okay, so we need a selector for card items, don't we? Maybe. Dot reduce. That should be that, right? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Now we get, oops. What's this one actually called? Total price. Okay, this starts out the same and ends almost the same too. Wait, why? I have to redo these. How are these calculated in these reactions? What are these? Okay, so it's actually getting the number of items from the cart item itself, so that's the individual quantity, so it has to reduce, so that's why it's like this. So, yep, this all makes sense. Price is a number. Why are we... I'm not going to touch this logic, okay? That's not the point of this. What's going on with this? Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's get started on these then. Okay, on add to cart. Ooh. Interesting. What is this? Cool. This is not, this is a side effect. This is a side effect. I'm not going to do it here. Yeah, that's going to be part of the store. I'm just going to put a placeholder here. Cart.store. That will be used there. All right. Okay. So we're just going to call this Add item. Oh gosh, yes, this is not gonna be here. All right, this could, yeah, it's fine how it is, but state item, cart item, not the component, the shorter one. Where is it? Why isn't it recommending it? It's because it has no idea what I'm doing until I do it. So state and cart items, state.cart items. Why not? Item. Okay. That was really easy. If it's an existing item, what does that mean? Oh, you add the quantity. I see. Huh. This feels like the difference between an event and a state change. Adding an item just is adding it. It sounds like an event. And then in here, we handle it intelligently. We'd say, okay, go add it if it's there. If it's not, whatever. But this could be something different. What we could do is have an add item or item added source and or subject. Have it split into two sources. One, we'll check the selector to see if it's I don't do that because I don't pass parameters to selectors. Well, it would get the current items and then see if it'd find it, and so it would know. It would find a way. It would know if there would be a way to find out if the cart item, or if the item was already in the cart. And then, if it is, it would map to the source of add to cart, and then or the state change. And then if it's not there, or if it is there, then it would be increment quantity or something like that. So, what do I do? I will do it this way because he did it, and also I slightly prefer putting logic in the state change in the adapter in general because it's a pure function and the sources are they're always messy. So I slightly prefer this. So yeah, it's not super granular with this, but I think it's fine. So I will need to check some things. I need to know what's this called? Okay, but what's on it? ID. Okay, so just need to see if the ID is the same. So ID. ID. No. Okay. This is like an upsert thing, right? Update or insert. But anyway. Okay. All right, I think I know how I'm going to write this. Map. Fine. No. Okay, this is the, I'm going to name it the same thing. All right. No, wait, I'm looking for this. m.id. If it's the same, so if it's not the same, just return cart item. If it is different, then we're going to update the num of items plus 1. Then we're going to concat, and if existing item exists, then we're going to concat existing item, else an empty array. Okay. What does that look like? I'm afraid to check. I guess it makes sense that it's going to take that much code. I should have just used that. No, I'm changing state because that's the thing about StateAdapt. It has to be used in a minimal way. Like that's my official approach with all these conversions. No duplicate state. No, like it's going to be reactive. Everything it touches will be reactive, and derived state as state is not reactive. So okay, yeah, that's my opinion. Okay, so it's gonna, yeah, that's awesome. That'll work. It's kind of crazy, but it works. Kind of wish there was a simpler way to do it, but we could do a side effect here. Yeah, we could have a let, but I'm okay with it looping twice. This isn't like a machine learning or insane performance-based thing, but that is a thing that could happen. We could keep track, but anyway, so remove item from cart. Reduce, I actually like that. Reduce item from cart. Same thing, but wait, why are we? Whoa, this is ridiculously long. Are we splicing or filtering? Wow. So we're finding it. Oh. We're returning. So if there's only one left, we're returning that filtered out. Otherwise, we're reconstructing it. Oh, and then we're doing these things. Yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh, that is complicated, man. Item. Actually, I'm gonna same naming. It's the same basic thing. So. Okay. Here though, it's easier. Is it an existing item? Same logic holds. Card items. Now we're not updating. We're filtering. No, we are updating and filtering, right? We're going to update and then filter out the ones that are 0. Okay. I think that works. And existing, I guess that doesn't matter, huh? Crazy. See if this makes sense. We're going to subtract 1, and then if there's any that's 0, then we get rid of it. I mean, this isn't exactly efficient either. So, and actually, you know what? I think that Chrome will optimize this anyway, so I'm feeling pretty happy about this. That's even easier than this one. Makes me wonder if there's a way to do this, but no, you can't change the array. You can't increase the array size based on that. So, all right. Okay, so that's that. That's a lot. And this is like, I feel like my state management library is a philosophy more than just a technology. This is like a reactive app is more minimal. It has to be because context and everything. Reusing things that already happened. Ooh. Yeah. I think the app is... Nope, it's not running. But I think what was happening was... Oh, jeez. Okay. This is way more boring than I thought. Maybe I can finish this within... Let's shoot for 20 minutes. Increase item in cart. I'm going to put remove item here. It's because it's similar, but cart items, state.cart items.filter. Cart item. It's not meaningful distinction, but item dot ID not equals item.id. Okay, that's that. And yeah, I think a lot of this is spent trying to figure out how to let's see, right here. Yeah, it's updating this. Yeah, so remove item. Okay, increase item in cart. I'm going to call it that. In cart, state, cart items. This should be a cart. I'm going to call it the same as the rest. Cart item, state, cart items.map. Yeah. Cart items.map. There we go. Okay. If it's not the one we're looking for, then just let it be. If it is, none of items plus 1. Yeah, just go through, find the one that's the same, increment it, decrement it. Then we had to filter this one because we're removing it. This one's a simple remove. This one is increase quantity if it exists. Okay, this all makes sense now. All right, so let's see, between these two files, let's just do a quick 94 lines, 25 lines, 124, is that what that was? Down to 63, dang, this one's gonna be crazy. Are we ready to work on the store? I think we are. So this is at 4620. Cart store. Okay. Let's do it. Cart store. Cart store. Where'd that go? There it is. All right. Now we're going to look at the actions. Most likely effects. Are we? Oh. Okay, so this is just practice. So we're just going to pretend that it's asynchronous. No problem. That's the only effect. All right, let's do this then. Let's do this. Let's see. All of this isn't finished, obviously. 2 weeks, yeah. This is a work in progress. I'm not going to finish it for them. I'm just going to do what they have. So, add item to cart. What do I call these? Increment? I just call them the verbs in the other one. Come on, StateAdapt, come on. No. What is going on? Why isn't this available? This is really annoying. What's going on? I don't know. What is wrong with you? Oh, that shouldn't be a thing. Okay, we're gonna. I think this has to be an actual cart item. This is totally disconnected from everything. Okay. All right. Cart. Okay. All right. Success. That'll be the next one. Get HTTP actions. We're not actually, I mean, it is the success one we're looking for, right? If you look at the reducer, no, those aren't mattering. I'm not going to delete the effect. I'm just going to, I doubt this is even being used, right? Add to cart. Well, it looks like it is. Yeah, but this one isn't. Yeah, no, that one isn't. So I am just going to do this. And I'm not going to delete the effect. It's too pointless to implement. So yeah, I'm not going to delete the effect. It'll stay as part of what this is, but okay. What other actions? Well, there was a remove item from cart. Cart item, I'm guessing, could just be the ID, but I'll figure that out. Increase. So we've got okay. There we go. Decrease. A lot of repetition there. Okay. This every project acts a little bit differently. It's really weird. Cart. No, this is the path. Okay, and then we're gonna get cart adapter. Didn't change that. Oops. Create adapter. It's not even. What? Why? There we go. Yeah. This is going to be initial cart state. This is here. Cart initial state. Oops. Here. All right. Good. All right. Now sources. Let's just add these. What was that? I don't know what button I hit, but some light bulb was added for a second. Okay. Oh, right. This dot. Is this okay? Is this what I named them? Nope. Yeah, I just wish that TypeScript was more strict with this. And that will be the same, I think. Okay. I had them be the same every time. Okay, so what were the selectors? Let's just add those on right now. Total price. Let's do cart items. Cart items. What? Why isn't it? Oh, right. I didn't actually add a selector for that. I could add one. Cart items. Okay, I mean, I could create multiple levels of this. Maybe I should. I will, just because. Create selectors. Okay. First one, actually, this is a waterfall type thing. So, first one, cart items. Okay. What? What's the deal here? Oh, right. The first one doesn't get any. Okay. Now we can do this. This is going to be, I was going to call this S. That's the convention I use for these, because it's either state or selectors. And either way, I think this overrides initial state one, which is good. That's good. So it didn't matter here. These were separate levels, but here it is using the memoized result there. So, I mean, it's like, what's going on here? It did format, it just looks jacked up. I don't know what the deal is with that, but. Alright, so that looks like everything then. Let's go back to the store. Cart items is a thing now. What else is there? Total price and number of items. Store dot. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Oh, we need an ID, right? Why? And when? Reduce item from cart? Why are we doing an ID here? This doesn't make sense. If it's an existing item, take one away. If it's not, add one. What? That doesn't make sense at all. Card item. Why is it like changing the ID? It's taking it out. I don't understand how this ID is working. Item.id. What is this? Oh, so you're filtering it out and then adding it at the end with a new ID. What? I think this will depend on what the catalog is. Let's look at the catalog and just see what. Yeah, I don't know what the data is. I guess I could look at the item interface. It's got an ID already. Yeah, I don't need another ID, do I? I don't think I do. So, I don't know what that is. Why is a cart item a separate thing? It's not. Good. Okay. Whew. All right, so we are just adding and removing. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Oh, wait. That's the catalog adapter. We are. This doesn't. Oh, total price? Yeah, that is an individual. Oh! Item. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so I can convert this. Number of items and total price? I don't know. I will figure it out and I'll get the behavior to work. But for now, I'm just gonna not worry about that. Okay, let's see if the errors are helpful. Core selector. Why do you still exist? Oh. That is... where is that used? App component. I mean, this is quite interesting. Messy a little bit. Yeah, we'll just delete this. Look at that. Gone. Okay. Number of cart items. Okay, this is gone. That's okay. This is just gonna be from here. So private cart store. Let's see what is this? This is about cart store. All right, finally. Okay, let's get rid of that. Store. No, we're gonna do a number of items. Number of cart items. That makes sense. Cart store. Yeah, totally makes sense. Okay. Let's see what. Oh wow, that compiled for a second. Sure, let's go to the catalog page component. What do we have? Add to cart. On item added. Okay, here's the side effect. Okay. Side nav open. No. Oh. Wait, why would it open it? So first of all, there should be a component for snack bar, and that should be down there. So yeah, I can get rid of that later. Matt sidenav.open. I'm just realizing that quantity, I'll have to add quantity when I add it to the cart, but okay. I'll just use the item ID for the ID, I don't care. So everything should be derived from item. It seems like an item with extra properties, that's what it should be probably. But I don't really care. No, it should be. That's what it should be. I'm gonna make it that. Okay, so on item added, it adds it and it opens the side nav. He was gonna put this into a reducer, so that would have been nice because then I could have had one that listened to both. I could have had two stores that listened to one event, one source. That could have been nice. As it is, this is a terrible side effect, and yeah, I don't really understand this. Oh, we're only using it to see if it's opened. On action. Oh, I see. Okay, so I could actually, yeah, I could do this from somewhere else. Or is it like a specific ref? Yeah, I bet it is. But I could make a way to communicate up here. Let's see. On action. Sorry, I'm just gonna think through this for a minute. All right, I've decided to do minimal updates. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this here. It's a side effect because the API is imperative, and that sucks. Every other framework has declarative components for stuff like this. Either needs it. All right. Either needs it. These are just going to be items, not card items. I should go change that right now because I'm doing this right now. So let's see, this dot catalog store dot items request. Oh, not catalog store. We need the cart store. Okay. Add item to cart. All right, and then do the stupid side effect. But for now, I'm figuring this out. If we go back to the adapter, or the cart item, I guess. And then we got the item. Price, I mean, total price is a, oh. Yeah, that's a thing. That's derived state still. So, yeah, quantity is the only thing. So I'm just gonna okay, there we go. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Okay, that's all it needs. The rest is derived. So, number of items is going to be 1. Do I do this? I do. Then over here, when I increase it, yeah, what's the deal with this? Yeah, it could be possibly undefined, but whatever. It could be that I add an item here, but then it becomes a cart item. The cart item has this. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that sounds great. Okay, so, yeah, down here we go. Cart item. That's an item. What's your problem? Oh, didn't import yet. If it's +1, it's got to be 0. All right, that was easy. Right? That's when you add it. That's the only one. That's the only time it's not there. Well, how easy was that? That was pretty darn easy. But we're gonna call that item. That's gonna be item. And that's gonna be item. Actually, it might be a card item. TypeScript will allow it, I think. I think TypeScript allows extra properties. Yeah, which is the same reason this is that you can return extra things from here. Actually, maybe you can't. You can. So, it'll allow it, but yeah. So, I think I'll be fine with this. Okay. All right. So, why am I here? So we're just gonna add items, each of them. Yep. And we're reusing ID. And that would cause, let's see, what would we need to do for that? I don't know why it's done. But I would change these to subjects, so it would add 4 more lines of code. I'd change these to subjects, and then map it and add an ID, and it would become a cart item. Anyway, okay, effects. They're gone. I don't care. I guess this is where I delete things. Items loaded. Oh, well, this is catalog. Yeah, I did these. Open cart. Yeah, that was never used. Yeah, this isn't 100% fair comparison. Not 100%. But it could be a lot worse. What's up here? Cart component. What's wrong with it? Cart adapter. What is going on? Oh. Oh. Good. That's a good one. I'm not going to change that, even though I want to. I'm ready to go ahead and delete this, I think. Not going to delete the spec file because that has nothing to do with what I'm doing. Okay, producers seem pretty happy right now. And I'm going to delete this. And finally, this makes sense. This is one that matters. Okay. What are we doing? Cart items, total price. Okay, so we need the cart store. Right? This needs to be a selector. We need item, and we need to add total price on here. That's going to be item num. What is going on? Why aren't you? That's a cart item. Yeah. So. Oh. Price. Okay. That better be something. I mean, this might be a bug, but anyway, so that's the total price, okay? For each. This is sort of not making sense. It's just adding. Number of items. Does it actually get added here? The car item does have the total price on here. It did. If I went back to the model, it had total price on it. Did that just mean price? I think this is a string when it comes from the API. Pretty sure it is. Either way, we don't need. We just need the total price. Yes, good. It knows it's there because it got it from here. So it is using the selector. Well, that's TypeScript, so we'll see what JavaScript does. But yeah, this makes sense. These are now looking similar. And this has the total price on it. Okay. Now we want the actual total price, which is going to be cart store dot total price. All right. This is weird. Some things here are weird. Okay. This doesn't matter because we are selecting them already. All right, good. Good, we can finally use this. These are the sources. So go to the store. Let's not make it way over there. Okay, now we're gonna grab these. Okay. Cart item, close cart. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. How about the first one? Did I like already erase it? No. So we got reduce, remove, and increase. Oh, that makes sense. We're in the cart. So that one is not one we're doing here. These are same characters. That's crazy. Okay. Right. HTML. Here we go. Sweet. Reduce, remove, increase. Reduce, remove, decrease is reduce. So yeah, these are all in the wrong order, but so increase. Next. Awesome. Is it building? Okay, cart page actions. Wait, these exist still? A spec file for actions, huh? All right. Oh, is it still importing them? Okay, where's imports? That should work. Okay, let's see what errors we got here. App component. Oh yeah. We need to go back all the way to the app component. And yeah, organize imports. Is that it? That's it. Will it work? So now we're at testing, and this is 123. Testing. Okay. Add to cart. that did not work. Diff. States are equal. That makes sense. Item added. Add item to cart. This better not be a typo thing. It was subscribed to. It was subscribed to. It was fed into this. Add item. Okay, let's try it again, and geez. Cart adapter. Okay, state item. So far so good. Undefined. Map and concat. Oh. I did that backwards. Okay, good, that's easy to fix. If it's exact items on that. Okay, what's this? Oh. What? Oh. Oh, we don't add the existing item. That's the problem. Yeah, of course. What's your deal? Oh. Wait a sec. We're mapping here. If it's already added, then that's not going to be 0. So here's where we need to do it. That's where we initialize it. Okay. Perfect. Thank you, TypeScript. You helped. Somewhat. Okay, now we're back here. Add to cart. What's going on here? Anything happen? Diff. Hey, hey, it's there. Why does it jumble it up like this? It's so annoying. ID. Good. Price is a string. 0. That's fine. Okay. I am happy with that. It is duplicate state, kinda. Because we already have the catalog, we should just be adding IDs, right? But it's not the end of the world. This is how he was doing it, so basically. Oh, good. All right. Yeah, that was stupid. Yeah, this is good. Okay. So why isn't that top right thing updating? Why isn't this reactive? This is going to be in the side nav. Well, let's ask the app component. That's it. Oh. No, that's not it. Yeah, we're subscribing from the beginning, so what's going on here? Number of items. That selector isn't working, so let's see what the deal is. That's okay. Hey, we got one there. All right, now 0. Oh, am I an idiot? Am I an idiot? I am. Okay. I'm an idiot. All right, add to cart. There we go. And this throws me off. What's going on here? Holy crap, that is weird. Oh, the template is accessing things it shouldn't. Right? Item. Any. That's the problem. Okay, we're just doing this. And these are going to be defined, okay? Let's see where it's fine. Doing dot item. Anywhere else? That's not my business. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. Okay, everything is fine now. Everything is just fine. Oh, did I just do this? No, that's the spec file. Cart component right here. Nope. Where is it? This one? No, it was just there. Here we go. I'm not gonna format it, although actually I think it doesn't matter if I do because of all the cleanup I did before. Okay. Open cart. That works. Hey, it's all here. I don't know what the deal was with that, but reduce item in cart. Okay, container. What's this doing? Decrease item in cart. Oh, we're doing increase, right? increase item in cart, 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 remove item. Oh gosh. Did I even look at this? I don't think I did. Remove item is going to be here. And that's going to be there. That is ridiculous. So we got add, increase, remove, decrease. These are not in the same order. I'm going to put in the same order as the adapter. We got add, remove, reduce, increase. That doesn't make sense, but add, remove, reduce, increase. Add, remove, reduce, increase. All right, that's bizarre. Fundamentally, it doesn't matter, but okay, now we open the cart and there we go. Hey, and the price is updating and that's nice, and we decrease and it's empty cart. Add and add. What's up with that not being there? I don't even know. Total. Hey, I guess that adds up, doesn't it? Let's add a ton of these because they're cheap. Increase, let's get rid of all of them. Okay, this is working. Wow. Look at that. Look, everything is updating. It's all beautiful. It's all doing the Redux actions. So, okay. All right, we're done. That wasn't as bad as it could have been. So, I'm pretty happy with how that went. So now we're at hour and 32 minutes. Where we were. So testing, and now we are at overview and comparison, but I will label that later. Okay, so what happened? What did we do? Everything was already getting everything from everything, so it was like not a real separation. I don't know how I feel about how it was organized before exactly, but anyway, we added a cart adapter, cart store, catalog adapter, catalog store, and then updated the two components. I think there were just two. Yeah, this one and this one. Yeah, overall, pretty awesome. So I'm going to commit this and then we can compare. So this will be convert to StateAdapt. It's just a generic message, all right? Nice. That is committing or something. So let's look at what we did. And just like two. Yeah, I mean, between here and that one. Stat. What? Oh. Did it not? Why isn't it committing? Oh, I didn't add it. Ha. All right. Derp. Okay. Now we'll go back here, get rid of that one, and add the new one. Sweet. It's typical. Very typical numbers. And if we wanted to be generous, we could and say like some of the lines were unnecessarily cleaned up, but still, like, this is a 46% less. So let's look at where those came from exactly. Too late. This isn't pleasant to look at, but we already looked at it. We didn't really go through it very carefully, but basically it was just the reducer and the actions and just the nature of how you're dispatching and selecting and declaring in like 3 different places instead of one place if you're requesting data. And then instead of methods, you're just passing in subjects. So that's the difference there. And then the setup is a little easier, just less overhead in general. So yeah, I guess that's where it all came from, just like usual. So all right, well, that was fun, at least for me. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time.